Session 26 of Unit 3 of Taxation of 5th semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study the income of cooperative societies. The learning objective is to study about gross total income of cooperative societies. The session outcome is to understand about the gross total income of cooperative societies. Income of cooperative societies. The gross total income of a cooperative society is computed in the manner provided for any other SSC. It may be individual, HUF, partnership, or companies. Thereafter, the following deductions are made under the following sections from the gross total income. That is ATG, ATGGA, ATGGC up to ATP. Deductions under section ATP. The following deductions are to be made from the income of a cooperative society under section ATP. In the case of a cooperative society engaged in the following business, the whole of the amount of profits and gains of business attributable to any one or more of such activities shall be deducted from the gross total income. Carrying the business of banking or providing credit facilities to its members. A cottage industry. The marketing of agricultural produce grown by its members, example, constitutes agricultural produce. The purchase of agricultural implements, seeds, livestock, or other articles intended for agriculture for the purpose of supplying them to its members. The processing without the aid of power of the agricultural produce of its members. The collective disposal of the labor of its members. Fishing or allied activities, catching, curing, processing, storing, or marketing of fish, or the purchase of materials and equipment in connection therewith for the purpose of supplying them to its members. Subclause 6 and 7. In the case of a cooperative society falling under this subclause, the deduction will be available only if the rules and bylaws of the society restrict the voting right to the following class of members: the individuals who contribute their labor or carry on the fishing or allied activities, the cooperative society, that is the credit society, which provide financial assistance to the society, and the state government. Primary cooperative society, which is engaged in supplying milk, oilseeds, fruits, vegetables raised by its members to a federal cooperative society engaged in supplying above mentioned products, the government or a local authority, the government company or a statutory corporation engaged in supplying the already mentioned products to the public. The whole of the amount of profits and gains of such business shall be deducted from the gross total income. Deductions. In the case of a cooperative society engaged in activities other than those specified in Clause A or Clause B, either independently or in addition to all or any of the activities so specified, profits and gains attributable to such activities to the extent of rupees 50,000 shall be deducted from the gross total income. However, in the case of consumers cooperative society, this deduction shall be rupees 1 lakh in respect of the profits and gains from the other activities. Society engaged in banking and construction of houses, letting it out and earning income therefrom is entitled to deduction from profits attributable to letting out to the extent of rupees 50,000 under section ATP subsection 2 clause C. Deduction. The whole of the income by way of interest or dividends derived by a cooperative society from its investments with any other cooperative society shall be deducted from the gross total income. The whole of the income derived by the society from the letting of godowns or warehouse for storage, processing or facilitating of the marketing of commodities shall be deducted from the gross total income. In the case of cooperative society, which is not a housing society or an urban consumer society or a society carrying on transport business or a society engaged in the performance of any manufacturing operation with the aid of power where the gross total income does exceed rupees 20,000, the amount of any income by way of interest on securities or any income from house property shall be deducted from the gross total income. References: